So this is the Anker PowerCore 3 PD version. Now the model I have here is the black 10,000 milliamp hour variant. And today I'm just going to quickly run you guys through unboxing it. So this is actually one of the latest Anker portable batteries. As I mentioned before, this is PD, which means power delivery, and it essentially gives you fast charging and also 18 watts of charging power. So in theory, this particular battery can actually charge some of the laptops out there. Now the other cool thing about this battery is it is quite small and light, which makes it very portable. And it also features a USB port for both charging the battery and charging other devices from the battery. So you can see it's pretty standard packaging. That's what the front looks like. It goes into more details as to PD. You can see down there it's the PowerCore 3 model. Now on the sides, you've got a little bit of important information. And on the back, it goes into a little bit more detail on some of the features. Mainly slimline design, ultra light, and safe and speedy charging for small devices, which is all pretty standard stuff from Anker these days. You can actually open up the front here. You can get a bit of a sneak peek at the actual battery itself. You can see some of the technologies used, such as Power IQ, voltage boost, and multi-protect. But again, it's all pretty standard stuff for Anker at this stage. So let's actually take it out of the box and have a look at it. So it comes with a couple of things just out of the box. One is kind of like a microfiber carrying case. You can see here it has the actual Anker logo on it, and it has a drawstring at the top, which means you can pull it shut. Now I don't personally use these. I don't really care if my external battery gets scuffed up. This won't really protect it from shock damage or drops. It's more so to stop scratches and dust. This might come in handy if you want to reduce dust that actually gets into the USB-C or USB-A ports on the battery, but I personally don't really use it. It is quite nice. It's not exactly cheap feeling, but I personally don't use these. You also get an instruction manual, just some standard stuff. I mean, this is an external battery, so you don't really need a whole lot of information on it. Opens up like so. Put that to the side. Now here is the actual external battery. Now you can see this is actually a really cool design. So this front, I'm not sure if you can hear that. I'll hold up to the microphone. But it's actually a textured fabric. So it's kind of a little bit of grey, a little bit of black. And it's actually quite high quality. It is a weird design for an external battery, but it does feel good. On the back, you've just got black soft touch plastic. I don't believe this is metal. It may be. It does feel very premium, feels very sturdy and nice and solid, not cheap at all. The sides, you can see actually how slim it is. This is not chunky at all. This is meant to fit in a pocket or in some kind of sleeve, or you can even hold it just underneath your phone while you're charging it, nice and easy. You can see the Anker logo there. It's metallic, shines a bit. And here's the actual power button. So this is a very cool design. I like that Anker does this. If you press it, you can see two buttons that light up. That gives you an idea of how much charge you have. Right now, it looks like this model has about 20%, which is generally what they ship with. It's pretty standard. You pretty much just click that, instantly see how much battery you have. Here's the ports. So you have a standard USB-A, you've also got a USB-C, and that's pretty much it. So you can only charge, I believe it's up to 2 devices on this thing. You definitely can charge one at a time, but for me personally, I don't really need to charge more than one at a time. Otherwise, I would have gotten a bigger version. Again, this is the 10,000 milliamp hours version. So this is going to get you about 3.5 charges on most smartphones these days. Now you also get an Anker USB-C cable. Now this is an Anker cable, so it's actually going to be pretty good quality. Now this is about 1 meter in length, probably just under 1 meter, maybe 50 centimeters. And you can see there it's a dual USB-C cable. So this is going to be great for plugging directly into the battery and either charging the battery from a wall outlet or charging a USB-C device, such as one of the new Android phones. So this is pretty much all you get in the box. I'll just put it in a pile here so you can see. So you get the USB-C to USB-C cable, you get the actual portable battery, you get the soft carrying case, and you also get the user manual. Now to give you a bit of a size comparison, again, this is the portable battery. This is a standard iPhone 6, and this is an iPhone 8 in a case. So you can see there, it's just a little bit bigger than the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 6. If we look at them side by side, again, obviously the battery is going to be a lot chunkier than the iPhone, but you can see just how slim it is. And of course the idea here is to have a cable plugged in there, and then into your iPhone, and then you can simply hold both of them in your hand like this. And this is actually very comfortable, especially if you have a case on your iPhone. Gives you a bit more grip, and you can see it actually stays there quite easily in your hand, and it's very comfortable. You can even take calls like this. You can still swipe, message on your phone. Fits right in the palm of your hand. So let's see if this thing actually works. So I just have a standard USB-A charger here. This is one of the models that has a split 3-way end at the other end, which gives you 3 different adapters. So I'm going to plug the USB-A version into the battery. And then I'm going to plug the lightning cable into the actual phone, and we'll see if this charges. There we go, you can see it's charging. Now unfortunately I don't actually have a fast charge device, so I can't test that. But what I'll do now is I'll actually test it out with a MacBook. So we have the MacBook, we've also got the external battery here, USB PD enabled. So we'll plug in the USB-C into the charger, and then we'll plug this into the MacBook. And that's actually pretty cool. You can see here, the MacBook is actually charging. So you can see right now it's at 14%. See if I can get it to focus a bit better. Sorry, 13%. It's actually charging this 13-inch MacBook Pro. So that is pretty remarkable from such a small external battery. So that's it for the Anker PowerCore 3 USB PD external battery. As you can see, it's a pretty cool little piece of technology. It charges your phone, you can charge your Kindle, your tablets, even your MacBook Pro if you happen to have one. And that USB PD charger is definitely a game changer. So hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I'll have some more videos on this particular device out on my channel soon, so stay tuned. But if you have any questions about this particular battery or anything else you've seen on the channel, please leave a comment in the comment section below. But apart from that, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.